In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export video from Canva as GIF. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a Canva video into a looping GIF you can share on social media, websites, or chats. First, open your web browser and search for Canva. You can type the name into your search bar and hit enter. When the results load, look for the official Canva website. Make sure you're clicking the correct link with the canva.com address so you land on the real site and not a sponsored ad or a lookalike page. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log in. Use the sign-in option that matches your account, whether that's email or a single sign-on method you already use with Canva. If you're already signed in, you'll see your recent designs and projects ready to go. Next, open the design that contains the video you want to export. This might be a video post, a short clip, or a multi-page design with animated elements. Before exporting, it's a good idea to play your video from start to finish to confirm everything looks smooth, the timing is right, and the visuals are exactly how you want them. Remember, GIFs don't include audio, so focus on motion, text, and transitions. Now it's time to download. Look for the download option in Canva's interface. Depending on your layout, you may find it in the main menu or under the Share button at the top right, where download appears as an action. Click Download to open the Export panel. In the Export panel, you'll see a file type box that typically defaults to MP4 video. Click that box to open the list of formats, then scroll down and select GIF. Choosing GIF tells Canva to export a looping, soundless animation that's great for quick previews or attention-grabbing posts. If you only want a specific part of your video to become a GIF, click Select Pages. You'll see checkboxes for the pages or scenes in your design. Check only the ones you want to include. This is especially useful if your project has multiple scenes and you only need a short moment for a GIF, like a title animation or a quick transition. When your settings look good, click the purple Download button. Canva will process your GIF and then save it to your device, usually in your default Downloads folder. After it finishes, open the file to preview the loop and confirm the motion looks clean. If it feels too long or the file size is large, try exporting again with fewer pages or a shorter segment. That's it. You've successfully exported a video from Canva as a GIF. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.